my god, guys. I was just trying to go along with this tutorial. They said glasses, right? They said these, but I don't have them. And because I'm using Gotcha Club and why? They got these. Okay. Calm down. I cannot find them. I'll just add some red blush. Yes, there.
And this color. Next, choose one of these tops.
Wait, what?
Then choose a mouth and eyebrows. Next, the glasses. I recommend these. And this.
I guess red.
Color. Next, choose one of these tops. And these sleeves.
Alright, Alright, I'm mad. Go back to yourself and to the people you love. Okay, did they get rid of it, please? No. Please don't tell me they got. I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. This might get copyrighted. Well, just the author of this, just don't copyright this. I'm a kid. I don't know what I'm doing. I forgot that I was making this video. Please tell me it's okay. I'm literally crying right now, but there's literally tears coming out of my eyes. Cause all the brain rot. I'm making this UwU cat for you. Stuff I do. Okay, first. Wait, will it? Oh, no. Happy. All I had to do was make the skin white.
Next, choose a neck accessory. Next, choose one of these skirts.
We need to give it a collar. Okay. I did not know that we didn't have the maid skirts. Alright, well, that's okay. I'm just gonna pick this one.
Wings and
Wings? I have never seen a UwU cat ever with wings.
horns are optional. Horns make it rare but take hat accessory space. Lastly, don't forget the tail and skin.
Okay, the tail and skin. Okay, let me see. Okay, I'm having a mental breakdown. Stop having a mental breakdown. Stop having a mental breakdown. Stop having a mental breakdown. Stop. Stop having a mental breakdown. Stop. Okay. Yay!
Here's my guide on how to make an UwU cat. First, I recommend making them the height 9 or 10, in rare cases 8. Next, I recommend of these rear hairs and one of these front hairs, along with one of these back hairs. You can also add a hodge if you want. Then, I recommend one of these colors and one of these eyes. Then choose a mouth and eyebrows. Next, the glasses. I recommend these and this color. Next, choose one of these tops and these sleeves. Next, choose a neck accessory. Next, choose one of these skirts. Wings and horns are optional. Horns make it rare but take hat accessory space. Lastly, don't forget the tail and skin.
Alright. We did it. I had enough with the brain rot for you guys. I'm not gonna stop the video here. No. I did not mean to go on that. Cooking UwU cats, ugly cats, not real cats, okay? I hope they're not real cats. Adopting a UwU cat trained me.